Oh, hi there. It's me, Face. Oh, I was taking a nap. I love my nap. Hey, coming up next is Elmo's World. So rise and shine right here on Nick Jr.